am the pirate Mrs. O'Reilly today. See my hat? And I drive on a very fancy pirate ship. Does that pirate ship drive on a land? No, I sail the 7 seas. That means I travel, or I am use my transportation as a boat. So I travel in my transportation on the water. And today we're going to talk all about sailing on the seas. Okay? So Mrs. O'Reilly's going to put her boat to the side, and I'll take my hat off just for a bit, because I want to talk to you about finding what transportation goes on or under the water. But here's the problem. I mixed up all of my pictures. They all got messed up, so I need your help. I have to figure out which ones float on top of the water or they swim underneath the water, and I could put them up here. Do you think you could help? I made a big mess. Okay, so a plane. Does that travel on the water? No. Okay, good. Thank you. What about a canoe? A canoe, you paddle and people sit inside and you travel across the water. Should it go up here? Okay, good. So a canoe, you can sit with your moms and dads and everybody gets a paddle and you push and you push and you push in the water and it makes you go forward. Have you ever gone in a canoe? I have too. So cool. It's a lot of work. It makes your arms tired. Okay, let's get back to the pictures. A water ski. So it's called a jet ski is the other word for it. Has anyone ever been on this? I have too. Mrs. O'Reilly really likes water sports. I don't do them all, but I like them. So a water ski goes on top of the water and you fly down on the water. Should it go up here? Okay, good. So I'll put my water ski or my jet ski right up here. A rocket ship. Should it go up here? No, it flies in the air all the way up to space, so it shouldn't go on the water. What about this one? A hot air balloon. Does that one go in the water? Should I put it up here? Okay, I'll put that one to the side. What about this one? A boat. A boat. Does it go in the water? Okay, good. I was just checking. How about, a sailboat. Is this transportation on the water? Yeah, it is. And you know how the boat moves? When the wind blows, the sail gets caught and it flaps and it moves the boat. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put it right up here. What about a ship? Does that ship go on the water? Okay, I'll stick it right over here. You guys are really good at sorting. Thanks for helping me. It was a big mess. What about this one? A helicopter. Yeah, no, that goes in the air. That's so silly. Okay, good. Ooh, this one you might not know. A sub or a submarine. This one travels underneath the water. And you can sit in there and still be fine. You'll still stay dry and you could breathe, but you could go all the way under the water. I'm going to stick it right up here. And then my last one, you might know this one, a raft. It's kind of like a floaty. When you sit in a tube in the pool, it's a raft. But you use the oars just like you do in the canoe, and you can move yourself on top of the water. So I'm going to stick it right over here. Okay, so I'm so glad that we got that sorted. Thank you for reminding me and showing me which ones are all transportation on the water. That means I can move and think I can go on top of the water. Now, I have something I'm going to show you. I'm going to use some fancy Play-Doh today. And I want to make a boat. Mrs. O'Reilly, what do you mean you want to make a boat? I want to make a boat. Do you want to make a boat? Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I want to make a boat and I want it to float on top of the water, just like these do. This one does, this one does, this one does, this one. Almost all of them do except the submarine. And I want to make it float on top of the water. But today, I'm just going to show you how to make it. And then what I want you to do is I want you to make one and try to float it. Mrs. O'Reilly is going to do it with Owen and Quinn, and I'm going to show you my video of how they do it later on today, okay? So while they're kind of waking up now, and so I don't want to be all mean and make them do it right now. So when they wake up and they do it right, we'll float it and we'll send it to you. But here is my Play-Doh. I'm going to smush it. Smush it. I'm going to smush it all. Can you smush a Play-Doh? Okay, you're very good at it. And I make it big and round. See, I'm kind of kneading it. I'm pushing my fingers in it to make it big and flat. Now a boat doesn't sit like this, does it? Does the boat look like it? Oh wait, let's take a look really quick. I'm gonna bring you over. When you see the bottom of boats, it looks like there's a little line that's pinched. And that's how they stay floating on top of the water. So what Mrs. O'Reilly has to do, she has to take her boat, and I have to push up the sides so that we don't fall out, right? Can you do that too? Push up the sides all the way around. And then I'm gonna pinch the bottom like this. What do you think? Do you see me pinching the bottom? So it kind of looks like this on the inside. And now I'm gonna pinch that part together too on the ends. That way the people that are the passengers, I could fit them inside, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go take this boat, and I'm gonna take Owen's boat and Quinn's boat, and I'm gonna see if I can put it on top of some water. Maybe you can ask Mom and Dad to take a little Tupperware or a little bucket, and you could put a little bit of water in it and see if your boat floats. If it does, tell me how you made it, because I want to do it too. All right, I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye.